Well, today we discuss about what's wrong with KL Rahul's batting average. That's a question everyone is asking, despite he being such a phenomenal batter. Now, the British media is saying that Rahul has transitioned from an underachiever to a Zen uncle this summer. He is fourth on the list of highest run getters for the current Anderson Tendulkar Trophy with 200s and 150. He scored 375 runs so far in the series. Now, despite his class, the fans are baffled by how his test average in over 10 years has not moved beyond 35.26. Let us explain what really happened to KL Rahul over this period. After a phenomenal start to his test career back in 2014-2015, he admitted to having been slipped into an overthinking mode. He claimed that there was heaviness on him. Now, every batter goes through blues. Every batter has a dull period, but it seems KL Rahul's dull days stretched for as long as 6 years. He averaged 26 from 28 tests played between November of 2017 to December of 2023. And that included a hopeless 2018 when he had just 101 half-century in 12 tests that were played by India. In the last Lord's Test in 2018, he made a technical adjustment that changed his batting for better, solved some problems, but all of his problems were not addressed. In 2021, under the toughest of conditions, he made a century at the Lord's Cricket Ground. Despite his name being on the Lord's Honours Board, that did not put him in a bracket of a bankable test star for India. Now, despite his star status off the field, being married into Bollywood, that really didn't make him a box office performer on the field. That didn't really make him a performer that would bring crowd to the turnstiles of the sport. He fluttered to deceive. However, on the current England tour, we've seen him in a different avatar. One that is not pushing his trolls to troll him further. He is not shutting up the noise, at least actively not shutting out the noise, not talking about his social anxiety in public. He has internalized a lot of those emotions, and you can see the change that has happened, the change leading to some classical test performances in the middle. And then one would also say that, he's been impacted by a series of injuries that denied him the access to what he loves doing most, which is playing cricket. He missed out on the Bangladesh tour of 2015, dropped from the series of South Africa in 2019, giving way to his statemate, Mayank Agarwal. But KL Rahul's fans, here would argue that 2020s have been the toughest toughest decade for the openers. The Karnataka opener played 48% of his tests in Sena countries. 7 of his test hundreds, in fact, have come in the Sena countries, 2 in this series alone. He has admitted to being more peaceful, perhaps a transition that is aided by marriage and fatherhood. And even though the test average of 35.26 does not justify his gifts at 33, he still has some more years left in him to maybe make some corrections and better those digits. Still, there are 2 more tests in England to play, so we'll have to watch out for the wonders that KL Rahul can do in this test series alone.